Hey spooky people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a fabulous Halloween. And now, since Halloween is over, unfortunately it is time to take down our decorations. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a plastic container over here and we're going to be de-decorating for Halloween. I've never done a video like this before, so I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to be taking down the decorations, wrapping everything up, of course cleaning afterwards, and I thought we'd maybe hang out and talk a little. I've never done a video like this before, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, please leave a like and a comment. Let's get right into it. I believe today is only like November 4th, and you guys might be wondering why I'm taking down my Halloween decorations so soon when it is in fact my favorite holiday. And the reason for that is, if you guys have been around here for a while, first I want to say thank you so much for that. I really appreciate all of your support. But anyway, if you've been around here for a while, you guys may remember that last December, unfortunately, I said my grandmother passed away and I was really depressed about it, and I didn't film a lot of Christmas content last year for that reason. And so now I feel like, since it's becoming that time of year, and since I didn't really get to celebrate last year, and now I feel like I'm in a much better mental space than I was last year, I feel like I want to celebrate Christmas a little earlier this year, just so I can get my dose of the holiday spirit. And also because I really want to take the time to enjoy this time of year, specifically because of what happened last year. I feel like it's really important to kind of celebrate the holidays and bring that joy into my life that Christmas brings, because I really do love Christmas, even though Halloween is my favorite holiday. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're just going to be taking down all of our Halloween cleaning. We're not going to be decorating for Christmas in this video because I do need to get a few things before I decide to do that. I kind of want to talk about how we're going to decorate for Christmas this year and some of the things I might be looking for when we're out decor hunting. If that sounds good to you guys, then keep on watching. Well, I think I'm going to start with the fireplace here. I'm going to take down my mantle first, then we'll probably move on to the kitchen. And I have some tissue paper in here, and I also have like plastic like shopping bags that I'm going to just pack everything up in, and then Jenga Tetris stack everything into this plastic container. Hopefully everything fits. And also I wanted to say I'm not going to wrap up everything. I'll probably only wrap up the small, more fragile things. The bigger items, I think I can just sit in there and they'll be fine. I only put things on a shelf in my garage, so I don't think anything is going to get broken. In case you're wondering too, while you're watching this, why everything's stuck down, I have museum putty on everything because my cats really love to jump up here and pretty much every surface of my house and knock my stuff down and break it. So I have museum putty with everything to keep it in place. And I also might start fast forwarding through stuff as well. But I did kind of just want to talk for a little bit about my plans for Christmas this year. If you guys remember, in years past, I've decorated in a black and white kind of darker winter aesthetic, and then I have my really nice sparkly silver Christmas tree. On that note, I did want to say that I still have my dark holiday decor, but I think this year I'd like to incorporate more of a mid-century modern vintage feel into my Christmas decorations, just because that is how my home, well, the majority of my home is decorated now. So I kind of want to incorporate that more, just so it kind of fits the aesthetic and matches a little bit better. So I was already actually looking online. Cracker Barrel has these really cute vintage blow mold reindeers that I really like. There's a boy reindeer and a girl reindeer. I definitely want to get one of them. Like I said, they're pretty like good sized blow molds. So they're about this big. And they're like those vintage like 1950s looking reindeers, if you guys have seen those before. I think they're really cute. And I would love to get one of those. So that's definitely on my list this year for decorations I want to get. I'm still going to use my silver tree. I will have it in this room, so of course when I put that up I will show it to you guys. I'll probably still do my black and white decorations on the tree, but I'm thinking I kind of want to incorporate some pink. I do have silver as well already, and I mentioned my tree is silver, so I think I want to incorporate some light pink ornaments, like a blush colors, because my couch is pink, and some pink accents in this room, and I think that would look really nice. So we're probably going to look for some pink ornaments as well. Last year, I actually bought a vintage tray. It's like a serving tray. I bought it on eBay. And I have it, I just haven't used it yet. I'm definitely going to put it out this year though. It's a vintage serving tray from the 50s. It's red. It's got Santa flying on a sleigh with reindeers on the surface of it. And then it has like wicker handles. The tray is red. I'm going to put that on my kitchen island this year. I also have I have some Joanna Parker Christmas as well, like reindeer. I have a reindeer mug out with it as well. And it seems like my theme this year is going to be reindeer because I don't know why, but I just feel like all my stuff is like reindeer themed, which is fine. And of course I'll have some Santas too. I did actually get some cute Christmas decor from my grandmother when she passed. So I have that as well, and I can definitely show you guys that if you'd like to see it when I decorate, because she had some really cute stuff as well. So I definitely have a plan of what I want to do this Christmas in terms of decor. But of course, if you guys saw my yard sale haul, my vintage yard sale haul that I did a few months ago, then you probably remember I got all of those black village houses, those little ceramic black houses from that one yard sale. They were all free, and I think I told you guys I have like 20 of them. Those ones from Target that were really cute, if you remember. So I'm definitely gonna incorporate that as well. I still want to do my black and white kind of dark winter aesthetic, but I'm definitely also incorporating the vintage vibe, which I tend to do pretty much for everything now. I think I'm gonna do actually my black houses up here on the mantle. I kind of want to do like one of those snow blankets they sell at the dollar store, and then I'll put my houses up here, and maybe we'll get like some reindeer or like snowmen or something like that, and we'll make like a little winter village on the fireplace. I think that would look really cute. I also believe I have some little vintage houses that I could put up here as well. I have to see. I think I have them, not sure. But yeah, I think we'll make a little winter village on the fireplace. I think that would look super cute. But definitely let me know if you guys can think of any stores or websites that sell vintage inspired decor that you think I might like. For the rest of this video, I'll just continue decorating and then cleaning, and I'll just speed up everything, and maybe we'll play some music, and I will catch up with you guys at the end of the video. For now, enjoy my time-lapsed cleaning footage. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how I ended up decorating my fireplace This is the after Halloween, but not quite Christmas slash it's still fall slash Thanksgiving mantle, I guess. In the center here, this is actually the centerpiece from my wedding a few years ago, but I thought it was still fall and rustic. Kind of a Thanksgiving vibe with the gourds and stuff in there, so I decided to toss that up here. I also have 2 lanterns. This lantern I actually got from that free yard sale. I just didn't include it in my video because I didn't want to make it super long. This one I actually got from my grandmother, and you're supposed to put a light bulb in it, but I cannot find any bulbs that are the correct size, so I just put these LED candles in both of them. This one you're supposed to have an actual candle in it, but I kind of prefer the LED, so tossed that in, and I think they look pretty nice. Over here I just have a picture of me and my brother, and we were little. And I have this little Lennox kitty right here. It's a jack-o'-lantern. That was also my grandmother's. So, yeah, overall I think this is cute. It's a good transition piece. It's still fall, but not screaming Halloween. And I think it looks pretty nice. Hey guys, so now that we're done de-decorating the living room, I thought we would move on here to the kitchen. So unfortunately, my camera died while I was cleaning the island off, and I didn't realize it, but I just wanted to show you the after of how I decided to decorate for this transitional period. I also don't remember if I ended up showing you guys, but I have this little Hocus Pocus table set up next to my record player, so I'm going to take that down as well. I'm just putting all this stuff here in the box. Except Winifred, because she's too big. Sing sweet. A mother tonight is wrong. And then lastly, this is the area that I said I wasn't sure if I had ever shown you guys this year. But I have some blow molds here, some candles, little jack-o'-lanterns from a dollar store, my vintage Monster Mash Singing Frank, that witch blow mold I got from Cracker Barrel this year, and just a few other little spooky items. Gotta put all these away as well. This is coming up my stairs. You can see my living room's back there. Yeah, but I have all this stuff up here. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but gotta take this down as well. Okay guys, so here is my very full box of Halloween decorations. I pretty much cleared off over here. The blow molds I'm just going to put in my garage because I don't have any boxes for them. Frank has his original box. He's going to go in my garage too. But that's about it for our Halloween decor inside anyway.